They support bone plus air conduction. It's got both advantages.
So I've got Eric from Doogee. Thanks very much for talking to me. And Doogee actually the brand that they sent me one of their rugged tablets earlier on maybe a year ago or so. And I reviewed their things, and it's still in constant use by my daughter. Actually, it's her homework, usage and everything like this. And it's indestructible. The battery is really good as well. And then it's got a keyboard case, that one as well. And there's a review for that on my channel. And also, actually, one of your rugged phones now belongs to their school. I gave it, after I'd reviewed it, I gave it to my daughter's school, and they use it as their field trip phone.
Oh, really?
So it's really useful, and it's got a really big battery life, and it's got a great camera on it, and they can use that as just, it's got a school account only, so all the photos are, secure on a school managed device. So it's very, very useful, really. So thanks very much, Eric. Just show me around some of the things you're showing off at IFA today.
Yes, of course. Today I would like to introduce you to our latest smartwatch. We've never released something like this before. This is our first time to release a smartwatch, but also it's a really high-end product. But we're not the first time to do such kind of products. We do OEM and ODM for our customers for a really, really long time. So we have a lot of experience in this. Yeah, so this is a really high-end product.
So it's been with other brand names, but really you guys have been making it behind the scenes.
Yes, of course.
Yeah, got it. Yeah.
So this is our own brand, and this is called AnyWise W1 Pro. So this is the highest end of our smartwatches. So this one's got everything, basically everything you want for a smartwatch. Health condition monitoring, like heart rate, like blood pressure, and blood oxygen, sleeping monitoring, pressure or stress, detecting all these kind of functions. And it supports, since we're a rugged smart device brand, it supports 147 kinds of different sports that you can use, like tennis, like running, like table tennis, anything you want.
Cool,
yeah, and also it supports 50 meters of waterproof. So this is a really nice feature. So you can even wear it when diving. And also it supports dual band of GPS. It's got supports 6 satellites, and it's got offline map. It's got local music. It's got always on display, everything you want for a smartwatch. And also it's got a super large battery as well, since we do it on our phones. Yeah. This one's got a 550 milliamp hours of battery. Right. That is a really large battery for a smartwatch. It's going to go for a long time. Yes, with display on, always display on, it can last like 7 to 14 days.
Wow.
So without it, it lasts for like 2 weeks to a month.
Yeah.
So that's a really large battery. And the price of this, since I said it's a really high-end product, but the price is also really affordable. So the retail price should be somewhere around 260. And comparing to our competitors, which I won't be mentioning their name, should be somewhere over $1,000 US. So as you can see, it's got basically everything you want, like sports, health condition, press, and sleeping, all these kind of functions.
So is that your own operating system, or is it
Yes, this is our own operating system, and also we're gonna launch our own applications on Android and iOS systems.
Okay.
Yeah, you can add new models of workout. It's got a few hundreds of sports that's supporting. So it's a really nice choice for people who love sports or who want their smartwatches battery to be super large and last really long, or someone who's really like outdoor activities. So it's a good match with our phones.
Yeah, it is. Yeah,
that's pretty much it.
And you're showing a bit of a kind of Android here with all his bits on it. Are these new products for you as well, the headphones and the smart glasses as well?
The other new product we would like to introduce is over there. Here it is. This one.
Okay, cool, all right, bone conduction, this way, okay.
Yeah, so this one is a earphone. It should be a bone conduction earphone. But in this kind of products, most brands usually support either bone conduction or air conduction. If you support bone conduction, it means you don't have a speaker, and then you transfer the music via vibration on your bones. So it supports waterproof, because there's no speaker, there's no hole in the surface. So if you support air conduction, it's got a speaker, so it's got better sound qualities, but it doesn't support waterproof. And we managed to solve the problem of waterproof of air conduction. So this one is called Bone Air Swim. It means we support bone conduction and air conduction together. So as you can see, there's a speaker over here, but without any holes on it.
Right.
And also it's playing music, but it's really loud. I'm gonna turn off the volume a little bit. And so since it supports bone plus air conduction, it's got both advantages. So it's got really nice sound qualities and also support 10 meters of waterproof. So you can wear it like all kinds of sport, like running, of course, swimming, absolutely. So I don't know if you want to try it. It's already playing. You can try it and see how the sound quality is.
So is it currently on bone or open?
It's not this way.
No. Of course it isn't. It's not like
this way.
A headband. Yeah.
This part, it should be stuck on your ears like this.
Right, got it, yeah.
And you should leave this part not in your ears, but here. Yeah.
Always an issue with my hair.
Yeah, I used to get long hair, so I totally understand.
So is it doing both air and bone at the same time?
Yes, of course.
So is it always doing both, or do you switch?
Yes. And if you block your ears right now,
yeah, you can hear the
sound quality is even better.
It's just changing song.
Yeah. And also, it's really affordable and cost-effective. This is a really high-end product.
Yeah, that was the issue with bone conduction, wasn't it? It was, pretty good technology, but too expensive.
Yeah, of course. But the retail price should be somewhere around $120 US.
Okay.
That's a really nice product to, as a gift. Since it's almost Christmas. Not almost, but soon, in a few months.
Yeah, totally.
And these two products, the smartwatch and the earphone, they will be launched next month.
Should we sit down?
Yeah, of course.
Let's have a seat.
Yeah. Oh, finally I can sit down.
Yeah.
So this product is VMAX Play. It's the most flagship of our products, of our rugged smartphones. The specification of this product is the highest of all of our products. Like the processor, the screen, the camera, everything is the best. And also we've added an HD projector within this phone. So it supports HD streaming, and also it's got a super large battery, like 23,000 milliamp hours of battery.
So is it 720p or is it 1080?
Pardon?
The resolution, is it 720?
Yes.
Yeah, but still HD. I've been speaking to other brands with projectors that are 480, so that's good.
Yeah, so we've got 23,000 milliamp hours of battery, so it supports projecting all the way 3 hours. So it's a length over a movie. So it's a really nice equipment for entertaining. So we call it VMAX Play because we want it to be a super nice device for outdoor activity and outdoor entertainment.
Can I pick it up?
Yes, of course. It's okay.
Yeah, shine the projector at you.
It's okay.
And good quality cameras as well in it. If you tell us about those, if you don't mind. And a camping light there as well. So what's the camera setup? You got three. You got a wider.
Yeah, wide angle and I think it's 64 million.
And let's see. Oh, it's just sort of set up. Yeah, to be just right. Oh, nice. And these guys just
these are also our products.
Yeah.
These are mini Bluetooth speakers. So they sell in separately, but also we have package that comes with VMAX Play. So it'll be a really nice, a full set of equipments for entertaining. So you play your movies here and you play the audio, the sounds at here.
Yeah. How much do VMAX Play?
It's a little bit higher price. It's somewhere around $750 US.
Okay, yeah, but I can really see that for the use case that you've got it shown here.
Yes, of course.
Absolutely. Oh, well, thanks so much, Eric, for showing me around. I really appreciate that. Yeah, good on you.